Guys, have an exciting one today. 119 Stateny, Grand Cane, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 24 square foot, 5 acres, 3 ponds. Incredible property, remodeled. Can't wait to show it to you. Guys, this is a beautiful country property. If you've been looking for space, privacy, and a home surrounded by nature, this one is absolutely worth a look. Right away, you'll notice the classic ranch-style layout with the long covered frontage and freshly painted brick exterior. The home sits comfortably on a large piece of land, giving you plenty of room to spread out while still having that peaceful rural feel. One of the first things you'll notice here is just how much open space you have. This yard gives you room for gardens, for animals, for recreation, or for simply enjoying the quiet surroundings. Now, one of the best parts of this property is what sits just adjacent to the home. This is the kind of backyard that's hard to find anymore. Wide open space, mature trees, and plenty of room to create whatever outdoor setup you want. And just beyond the yard, you have your own private pond. In fact, you have 3 of them surrounded by trees. Whether you enjoy fishing, relaxing by the water, or simply having a beautiful natural view, this feature really sets the property apart. The wooded backdrop adds privacy and gives the property that peaceful country atmosphere. And if you need extra storage or workspace, the property also includes this large metal structure. It's perfect for your equipment, to be a workshop, for recreational vehicles, or just for additional covered storage. The covered entry provides a welcoming approach and provides protection from the weather while adding to the home's clean ranch-style design. As we step inside, the home has been updated in several areas and offers practical spaces designed for everyday living. The main living area offers an open layout with updated flooring, recessed lighting, and plenty of space for everyday living. The painted brick fireplace creates a great focal point in the living room, and it adds character to the space. The kitchen opens directly to the living and the dining room areas, and it creates a comfortable flow for both everyday living and entertaining. You'll find granite countertops, updated cabinetry, stainless appliances, and plenty of workspace. And just off of the kitchen is a bright breakfast area with windows that overlook the property. The laundry room works great as a mudroom or laundry space. It has built-in storage and easy access to the outside. The bathroom just off of the kitchen has been updated. It has a modern tile shower, granite countertops, and clean finishes. Really nice. In the shower, the custom tile work gives the space a fresh, updated feel. Now down the hall, you'll find the bedroom and the bathroom areas. All of the bedrooms offer comfortable space along with closet storage and natural light. The first bathroom has been super updated with granite countertops, new fixtures, and modern tile finishes. The tile work inside gives the space a clean and updated look. What are my favorite things about the home? Number 1, 5 acres of land, beautiful land, dry land, land that you can just about do whatever hobby, whatever business, whatever garden. You got space for everything. What I really love about it too are the 3 ponds that you can fish in. You could stock these ponds. There may already be fish in the ponds. Number 3, this is a huge home, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,424 square foot. That's a lot of space, and it is a lot of remodel space. It's really, really nice. Number 4, what I really like is the frontage that this land has. A lot of times when you buy a lot of acreage, you end up with land that is narrow on the frontage and it goes back deep. This land is the opposite of that. This land is wide, but still deep enough to where you have some space. I would say my last top 5 item is the kitchen. It's huge. You know, a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinetry, super modern. It's just built for daily life, built for having a large family, built for entertaining. Another thing to consider is this home has brand new architectural shingle roof. In addition to that, it has a large HVAC system to keep the home cool and comfortable. Guys, thanks for touring with me today at 119 Stateny in Grand Cane. If you want to schedule a showing or if you have questions, give us a call, 318-286-5511. You can also text us. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel or visit us on the web, teamlytle.com. It's been a pleasure.